You can see all the bubble are there on the surface. Now we are adding the remaining quantity of hard plaster over the previously added hard plaster. So I think there will be no need for making base, but we have to make a base so as to guide you people. We are picking it, this stone, and then adding it to the previously added material to the plaster tray, impression tray. And if you can make these type of projections, kindly do so, because they can hold your soft plaster. Yes, now it is over. Now we are making base for this impression at a glass slab with soft plaster. Different size of bases are required, so we are making an ordinary type of base for your education purpose. So we have added some water. Now we are adding a measured amount, but as we have not measured a measured amount of soft plaster, and drop it in or add it into the water, and then we have to soak in 10 seconds. Then we have to soak it in for 20 seconds, and then we have to mix it. Now our mixing is round, not making 8. So now we are in round fashion. We are mixing it for 1 minute. Then after, and you can see it is a thick consistency material, thick creamy consistency again. So then we are going to put this material on the glass slab for making our plaster slab. So this is the material. We can collect it from the curved portion of the spatula and drop it or place it on the glass slab with another slab. Which should either be plastic or any other thing. We can shape it like a slab. So this is our slab. You can say the plaster slab. Now not finished much, but will show you people that how a slab can be made. Now this is the plaster slab. Now what is the function of this slab? It will provide the base for this impression material. How? Like that we have to invert this impression over this slab, and if we want to make a correct slab, then we have to push this material toward the sides of the impression, and we can make the soft plaster slab as a base of the impression which we have already taken. And then we have to wait and we can, or we should, finish it in this state as we can, so as it will minimize our time with finishing and cutting. You have seen the cutting saw in the college. I have shown to some people who attended the first class. Here we have cutted the impression or the base of an already taken impression which is present in college. So I have not this cutting facility here in my clinic, so I have to finish it as much possible as I can in this stage. So we have to make smooth with this, and then we have to wait. Now 30 minutes has passed, so after 30 minutes we are going to remove this impression from the model from the impression. So for this we have to do some cutting, because the metal tray should be fixed, or having a fixture in the soft and hard plaster if it dripped out from the impression. So now Mr. Rashid why ma is coming here, and now you can see his skills. Now he is using a wax knife, but here we have to use a plaster knife. Plaster knife नहीं स्टा मतलब plaster knife स्टा का मतलब mean that plaster knife is there but we are not using. Now he is lifting it slowly and gradually, and you can see that it is lifted out. Slowly he is releasing the impression from the model or cast, and now you can see it comes out. It came out a nice impression, you can see, and this is the impression, and this is your model with hard plaster and the base which is made up of soft plaster. Thank you for watching. I am Mumtazul Islam. Clear? I am Dr. Mumtazul Islam. Now this is your practical about how to take an impression and how to cast a model, how to make plaster slab, and how to mount the impression over the plaster slab how to cut it or finish it. Now you can see, if we have a trimmer we can trim it. So as we have not we have to we used to we finished it in the proper stage, so we have no need of cutting from these sides. But as this side we have at this side we have not properly shaped the base, so we have to cut this base from this area with a cutter. And plaster cutter is available in your college, not available in my clinic. So thank you again. This is your all-in-one practical